Oh my god, guys. So for the sake of video and a good and awesome place to look at, a stunning place, I go up on this super tired. Look at that. This is located on Latasan Island, guys, in Sipalay City. The most spectacular view. Wow! Look at the pool, and there you go. That's the island. The ship is over there on the ocean. Nakikita niyo yung balsa sa baba. Ayun, may tao naglalakad sa baba ng hanging bridge. Wow. Look at this. How cool is that? This
People
is
coming.
yes. And that is Crystal. Hi, Crystal. Pamangkin ko yan, guys. Yan. Yes, just steady here. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Princess Reina! So we are here at Latasan Island, guys. So as you can see, this is a wonderful place. You can come here and visit this place. And please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina. And please share this video to your friends. Thank you, guys! Mwah! Thank you for the love and support! Okay. Here at Latasan Island. Look at that. Look at that. How awesome it is. Oh my god. Yeah, including the mountain, baby. Yeah. Including the mountain.
You can go now. Go.
Hold on. Look at the view. Wow. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is our view for today. Look at the mountain, and then the ocean. The ocean meets the mountain. Okay. So this is our view from the balcony, guys. Look at that. Ang ganda. Tapos nandun yung ocean. Look at this. How amazing. That is Pablo Escobar house. Just kidding, guys. It's not Pablo Escobar house.
Namin na dadayo sila isang balay na.
Then, pareho lang man di. Wala man kami nakasulod. Pero pareho lang yun din. Tingnan nyo yung water, guys. So, sobrang linaw ng tubig.
Yeah.
Look at the water there. Latasan Island, guys. So this is another accommodation, and this one is a pavilion area, and after the pavilion area, this is the pool. Look at that. See? Oh my god, it's so awesome. That's ocean. Welcome to Latasan Island Resort. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. Pumunta kayo dito, guys. Itutour ko kayo. So, ito yung another accommodation nila. Actually, maraming place ito, guys. Yun. Meron sila doon. Doon kami nakastay sa pinakaharap. Kasi sobrang layo na dito, guys. So, akyat tayo sa ano, guys. Sa bundok. Mas yung welcome Latasan, doon tayo pupunta. Actually, guys, sapagod na ako. Nakakapagod pala maglakad, guys. Sobra. This is another pool also. Yan. That's another pool. So let's go here. Akyat pa tayo, guys. Marami siyang place. Meron dyan. Kung gusto mo dito. Kung gusto mo dyan, pwede din. Diba? Ang ganda. Napaka-peaceful ng place. Look at this. Super peaceful. Wow. Wow. Aakyatin namin to papuntang wow. Oh my gulay. Nakakapagod guys ha, sobra. So this is the Wow Latasan Island guys. So as you can see, ang ganda ng view, pinakita ko na sa inyo. At the same time, samahan nyo po ako dito guys. Itutour natin yung buong island. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina. And please share this video to your friends. Mwah. Here baby, can you take a video of me? Sige, sige. Ga, Crystal. Picturean mo si ate. That's crystal clear water. Look at the seaweed guys. Can you see it? Oh my god. Ang ganda-ganda. Look at the hanging bridge. Whoa. Hanging bridge for more. Andun si Crystal sa baba guys, sa swimming pool. Crystal! Swimming pa more. She loves to swim. This is amazing view. Wow, this is the morning view for today. Have you seen the hanging bridge over there? It's super cool, right? May hanging bridge pa dun sa kabila, guys. Ito yung maliit. Ito yung maliit na hanging bridge. Yan, nakita nyo yan. Tapos meron din dun sa kabila. Yan yung mahaba. Kaso lang hindi siya masyadong nakikita dito kasi natatakpan siya ng isang island. Island to island. Ooh, amazing. Love.
Uh-huh.
Up. The camera should be
Yeah,
up.
of course, it's up.
Maybe half na.
It's up.
Up? Woo.
It's a video?
Yeah, it's a video, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Pagod guys. Wala pa. Woo! Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng view. Did you see the boat over there? There you go. Yung maputi na yung maliit. Ocean na kasi yan, guys. Wow. Look at that. It's so amazing. Wow. Here's the pool. And there's your view. Woo! Latasan Island. Ang bongga guys. So this is the 360-degree view guys. Let me show you. So this is the view for the sunset. This one is the north. This one is, hey, this is the sunrise. This is the north. And then this is the south sunset. And this is the south view. It's super nice, guys. Latasan Island. Wow! Hashtag wow Latasan.
Ako na po nasa dalawang din sa saka.
Vlogger din siya.
What kay God.
Love, steady okay?
Okay, yeah.
Do not move the camera. Please.
Sa piya ko, dun sa to.
Hindi, kay Pukino yan.
Oo.
Wala pa. Hindi kami itong kakaya. Pabog.
300 pag ito ko no.
Huwag na eh. Dito na kami next year naman we will be here. Love, steady, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Do not move the camera. Look at that. Wow. 360-degree view. Crystal! My niece.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Diba? Wow, Latasan. Wow. Latasan Island. Diba? Ganda. Nakapagod lang siya guys, sobra. Sobrang taas nito. Nakyat namin. Tapos ito pa yung tsinelas mo guys. Oh, saan ka noon? Paltos talaga yung paa mo guys. Paltos pa more. Crystal. That's Crystal. So we stayed there on that place, as you can see. You know, dyan kami nag-overnight guys. Ang ganda ng place na to guys, sobra.
Maybe the owner does not know the worth of this property. You know, if it's people who...
This is the north view. Yan. Ang north view guys, meron siyang hanging bridge dun sa baba. Yan, nakita yung hanging bridge. Yan, did you see the hanging bridge over there? Tapos nakita nyo yung ano guys, yung mga bahay-bahay doon. Doon kami nagstay. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda niya, sobra. Mas maganda to guys pag high tide yung place kasi makikita nyo mismo yung water na nagbo-blue na siya. Yun o, may boat pa dun o. Ayan, nakikita yung mga boat. Ang ganda, diba? Wow. Wow na wow talaga. Wow, Sipalay. May usok, may apoy dito guys oh. Nagsusunog sila ha. Naririnig nyo yung mga pump boat guys. #WowLatasan. As you can see, this is the sunrise view. Diba, ang ganda niya. Para talaga siyang 100 Island, guys. Nakikita yung boat niya yun. Mayroong boat doon na maliit. Yung puti na yun, guys, yun yung boat. Amazing, right? Sa view pa lang, guys, ma-relax ka na talaga. Imaginein mo, itong place na to, wala to sa Maynila guys. This is just located here in Sipalay City, Negros Occidental. So, it's an awesome and wonderful place. Yung may yate pa dun guys oh. O diba ang bongga ng yate? I-zoom in ko nga. Zoom in. Malayo na siya masyado. So, zoom in ko pa. Yan. May yate dun. Sana all, diba may yate? Mapapasana all ka na lang. Bigay mo na lang sa akin yung yate mo. Hindi mo naman ginagamit eh. Yung naririnig nyo yan guys, pambot yan. That is a pambot. Look at that. Amazing. Look at this. It's so amazing. This is the ocean floor. Crystal! She loves to swim in the ocean. She doesn't like to swim in the pool because the pool is so dirty. This one is clean. That's why I'd rather swim here rather than in the pool. Because I don't like in the pool. The smells stink. Love! Ligo ka na na. Kuya, wag ka tumingin. Okay, naiya ako. Hi guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina. And please share this video to your friends. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Mwah.